Hi, I'm Jake from Lenovo, and I'm here to talk to you about our new asset recovery service features, which will give you peace of mind throughout your IT journey. IT asset recovery is about getting rid of old devices securely and efficiently with minimal effort. But tracking assets, overseeing proper disposal, and handling logistics creates all sorts of headaches. That's why Lenovo Asset Recovery Services takes care of everything for you. And with our Service Connect portal, you manage the entire asset recovery process from one streamlined platform. With the online portal, you can decide who manages recovery requests by assigning user roles and permissions, ensuring the right people handle the right tasks. When you're ready to kickstart the asset recovery process, simply fill out a quick 5-step form to schedule your pickup. No messy spreadsheets or emailing back and forth. And if you have special data sanitization requirements, just include it in your request and we'll take it from there. With the Asset Manager feature, you have a real-time view of your entire IT fleet, including purchase history, serial numbers, and warranty details, and you can upload the information for non-Lenovo devices to manage all your assets in one place. When scheduling your pickup, select the assets from inventory to instantly populate your request, saving yourself time and reducing errors. Once your request is in, you can track it all in real time from the ARS Dashboard. Check your status, view past pickups, and download key documents all in one place. After our team reviews your asset details and provides an estimated quote, you can read and approve the service terms to move forward. So what happens after pickup? Lenovo evaluates your collected devices to determine their best next life. If they are reusable, we will refurbish and remarket them, so you recover value. If they are beyond reuse, we will recycle them responsibly so nothing goes to waste. That means you get maximum value while supporting IT circularity. Once your assets are processed, you'll receive a detailed settlement report outlining the service fees and any recovered value. For remarketed devices, you can choose how to receive your buyback payment, either as a direct bank deposit or as an account credit, which you can apply toward any Lenovo invoice or future purchase within the same country. If you've prepaid for Lenovo Asset Recovery Services, your ARS service credits will automatically cover your service fees. The amount is deducted from your balance, which updates instantly, so you always know what's available for future recoveries. If service fees exceed your ARS service credits balance, you can pay the difference through the Lenovo Service Connect portal. You can also access compliance documentation from a single place at any time with easy filtering and reporting. And with our circular economy statement, you gain valuable insights into how your recovered assets were remarketed or recycled, helping you track sustainability efforts with confidence. Manage your IT asset recovery seamlessly, securely, and with complete transparency with Lenovo Asset Recovery Services and the Lenovo Service Connect portal. Ready to simplify your asset recovery process and maximize value? Contact your Lenovo sales representative to get started.